I accepted a short-term consulting gig. When I accepted it, I looked at the time zone and I saw CT,
Yeah.
Central Time. That's like
Yeah.
about an hour off from me. But then when I got my email after already accepting and committing and everything, I was looking on my calendar. I was like, where is this thing? And then I scroll up and I find it at like 2 a.m. It was
Yeah.
CET. And I
Yeah.
just completely didn't see it. So I ended up in a 6 hour workshop from like midnight to 6 in the morning. Because you know what? When you make a commitment, you got to honor it. And that's more true than ever in this sort of digital space that we live in today, because people don't necessarily shake your hand, look you straight in the eye physically. So the commitment you make to the time to be somewhere is crucial, I think. And so,
It's a very good.
that was a pretty funny one.
It's something I'm certainly constantly working on for myself and learning in this environment because we're not meeting each other face to face. I've noticed a reduction in people's ability to stick to commitments in the digital world. We can just
Hmm.
go unaccept, cancel, automated emails kind of cover for you. The one thing that I would say to anybody watching, and this is definitely something that I know you and I are really trying to work with on our teams and our own lives, is better time management of digital interfaces, because there isn't a lot of
Hmm.
transition time. You'll work your way right up to the last minute, and then like at 12 the thing ends and the other thing starts, and you got to get that buffer time. But with commitments, always remember to think ahead. And if you're going to be late, if you're going to be like, let somebody know, let them understand. If you can't make it, give them a reason, reschedule. We still have to bring a human element into our communication. I still think energy comes through on communication. I really do. I think even if you're writing something and pushing send digitally, the intention in which you wrote it still can be received on the other side in some way. I'm a firm believer. So those commitments, we should all do a great job and continue to be mindful that in this world, we can hide behind technology and this digital interface. I think what we should do is lean into stronger communication and better commitments. That would be one action for sure.